What's up, HEALTHYOU crew? Welcome back to my channel, guys. So, guys, today is Vlogmas day 19, guys. Couple of more days for Christmas. So, I'm so glad that I have catch up with this Vlogmas. I mean, it was so overwhelming just to continue giving vlogs after vlogs after vlogs, guys. So, guys, today we are making pastel. Pastel is something in the Caribbean we all does, have that around Christmas time, what I'm saying. So we did have chicken pastel, beef pastel, and people just come up with different type of pastel. But the most popular is beef and chicken pastel. So we're gonna make pastel today, guys, and come along with me. Let me show you how I just make my pastel, nobody else, okay? So guys, let's see how to make this pastel and eat some pastel tonight because it's night right now. So yeah. So guys, we have our cornmeal. This is the cornmeal we're using. So you just average how much you want to make. I just put in about half the bag. Right? So about half the bag. And I'm putting in a little sprinkle of salt to taste. Right? So cornmeal, a little bit of salt. Now you could put whatever like carrots and stuff to make your pastel on the outside to look pretty and stuff like that. I don't have time for that. Cut to the chase, you're making pastel. The most important thing is the meat, right guys? The meat is the most important part here. So after we do that, we added the salt already. We get up some water. Well, I have some water aside, warm water with butter. So you just put in the butter and you just mixing it up with the water, right? It's not much butter. You could use about 2 tablespoons of butter and water to your liking because your water is soft and nice. Now what I just do, I just put in some oil. I just put in oil to make it nice and moist. It's no big science about it or behind it, right? And you just continuously mixing it up. Now this here, what we have here, this is like a doughy texture. We don't want that, right? So I have to put some more water. Now this will look like a lot of water, but it's not. Because the cornmeal will soak up water, right? So you see how much I get out of a little bit of cornmeal? We're just showing half the pack. I'm going in with a little bit of oil again and a little bit of cornmeal just to light, a little more stiff, because apparently this was a little too soft, right? So this is the consistency you want to have. So we're letting this sit aside now, right? We're letting this sit aside. You see how we can make it into the bowl, easy peasy, right? So we're letting this sit aside and we're going to do our meat now. So we have our minced meat. So I use a cup of minced meat. cup of milk, right? So that is for you all who like to measure. Right, so you don't have to add no oil or anything because it's minced meat, right? So you just mixing up your minced meat. All you know, I'm not forgetting about the other ingredients have to go in it. Just let this cook down. You could start to put your pimento and stuff first, whatever seasoning you like to season up your minced beef with first. But I like to put it in last, right? So while that's here on the fire, it will cook down. It will make a little spring, a little water. As you could see a little bit, it's getting a little bit water at the bottom here. So it will spring its own water and cook on its own. Don't worry, it's sticking up to the pan because it would not, right? It's minced meat. It just gradually, just mix it up. So you see how it is, just mixing it up now, and just leave it for a little 2 minutes, and it's almost done cook. Comment down below, guys, how you just make your pastel. Comment if you like to eat pastel. Have you tried it before? It's a Caribbean thing, right? So let me leave it to cook some more because it didn't fully cook up yet. Right, guys, so after this already cooked here, so it's time for us to add in this is some olives. I don't have any the next one cakes or something. I have some shadow benny and pimento. Let's mix up that for a while. I mean, the meat is the life of this pastel party, right? See how nice and colorful it's looking. And shadow benny, bandania, however it is called it will just bring out the flavor in different foods, right? So I'm going to add in my flavors now. I'm going to add some taste maker. Some taste makers, some all-purpose taste maker, right? So you're liking, people, so you're liking. I like taste makers too bad, right? Mix up that a little bit and hold on right there. Let me get the salt. Not much salt at all, right? And if all you could smell how they're smelling, oh my god, it smells amazing. It smells amazing. Now tasting great, tasting good. So we're going to add in our raisin. What is pasta without raisin, right? So the raisin, when the heat will swallow, so the raisin will absorb all the juices and the flavors as well of the meat. So guys, how we go, guys? That is the meat. Now we're going to let this probably sit and cool out a little while, and then we'll make our pastel. So we're combining our pastel together now. So guys, this is the foil paper I just cut to these sizes. So we're gonna use foil paper, not fig leaf. Guys, we are simple, okay? And this is the cornmeal here, and also our minced meat, guys. So let me show you how I just make it. So guys, so you're putting oil on one piece of the foil, right? You're taking your dough, however size your dough is, however size you want your dough to be, you're putting your dough there. And also you're taking your next foil paper. Now mind you, if there's fig leaf, you do the same thing for fig leaf, right? And you're taking it, pressing it down, and pray that it comes out good. Because sometimes it doesn't come out good, but this is going to come out perfect, right? It's going to come out perfect. Guys, look at that. Look at that. So you're adding now 1 spoonful or 2 spoonful of meat, however you like your meat to be full, or your pastel, pastel could be full, over full, right? And then you're folding it on one side, halfway, right? And then you're folding it on the next side, halfway, right? And then you fold it up. Then you fold the next side. And that's a pastel, guys. That's how your pastel come out. It don't come out perfect all the time, but it come out good. So that's how we just do the pastel, guys. It's off the boiler now, and we will see how it is. So guys, the pastel is already boiling. So you leave it on a little 5 to 10 minutes to let it boil and let's cook, because it's just for the cornmeal to combine, right? And yes, the foil will turn a little black, but that is, we're not eating the foil paper. Right guys? So I will show you how it turned out, and yeah. So guys, this is how it turned out. I put a little ketchup, mustard, and chow guys. I didn't put no pepper, but you had to add some pepper in it. You know how our 3D things go. So this is it. Oh my god, I'm gonna taste it now and see how it tastes. So guys, I'm gonna taste it. See. Smells good, it smells good, it smells good. This is how the, oh my god. Oh my god, a little bit of everything. Yes, this tasting good. Because I make it. I make now. Leroy, where your mother going? She going by. This tasting really good and full of meat. Oh my god. Yes, right. Okay. So are you know how to see me eating? Okay. Okay. Let me go and enjoy my thing. Okay. So thank you guys for joining me on this vlog. Please like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye. Peace.